First at 5, one of the state's first harm reduction community centers has abruptly closed, leaving behind a filthy mess. Good evening, I'm Marissa Bodner.
And I'm Greg Lagerquist. It is so bad that building is now condemned. CBS 13's Max Williams shows us what officials found inside.
Fecal matter, thousands of used needles, and people sleeping in the basement inside this commercial building here, now locked up and slapped with this condemned notice. Photos obtained by CBS 13 show what Lewiston city officials were met with when they responded to 195 Main Street.
One of the doors had been broken into, and from there you have access basically to the rest of the building through stairs. Several other doors had been unlocked to allow other people in.
Most of the building is empty, but the Church of Safe Injection used to give out clean needles and offer other services. The city believes they abandoned the space, leaving all this behind. We spotted mail overflowing in the mailbox and a calendar frozen in time, still reading June.
I wouldn't expect fecal matter. I would expect maybe that there is some amount of used needles not maybe left in that capacity.
Evan Mancini owns the restaurant next door.
I am happy that it seems to be that, you know, we're relocating these types of businesses outside the downtown business area.
The Maine Center for Disease Control and Prevention says what happened here violates state health and safety regulations.
It felt like the CDC actually didn't care what was going on.
Jeremy Hiltz used to rent out the space above the Church of Safe Injection. He says he complained to the city and the CDC for 2 years, but nothing has been done.
There was needles everywhere. There was people all over the streets. People defecated on my doorstep when I would come to work over and over.
Hiltz had to move and says Church of Safe Injection was doing more harm than good.
I'm a 100% believer in harm reduction, but what's happened here is harm induction.
We reached out to the church's executive director, but haven't heard back. We did spot a locksmith putting a lock on a door today. And the city tells us the property owner has 10 days to get rid of this condemned notice and bring the building up to full compliance with state and local codes, or they could be hit with multiple fines. In Lewiston, Max Williams, CBS 13 News.